Hello, I'm Ling. If you are new to calligraphy, today I want to show you 6 tools that I've carefully picked. Simple, beautiful, and perfect for beginners. Let's start with the brush, the heart of calligraphy. A good brush should feel soft but also a little springy. For beginners, I suggest a medium-sized mixed hair brush. I prefer using smaller brushes because writing small characters really helps build focus. Next is Xuan Paper. The paper really affects how your ink spreads. Try 半生熟. It's smoother, it doesn't bleed too much, and show your strokes clearly. Then we have the ink dish. I prefer porcelain ones, clean, elegant, and easy to wash. For ink, not everyone enjoys the smell of traditional ink. So I chose one infused with soft tea aroma. It feels calming, elegant, and makes the whole process inspiring. Fifth, the Calligraphy Mat. Some people use newspapers, but they are not reusable and eco-friendly. A good mat absorbs ink, prevents stains, and keeps your writing steady, so you can have better control over every brush stroke. And finally, the brush roll. It's not just for keeping your brushes, it is a part of ritual. After writing, gently clean your brushes, roll them up neatly. It feels like closing a peaceful practice. So these are the 6 beginners essential for calligraphy, simple tools that help you write beautifully and mindfully. Follow me and let's create beauty through writing together. Bye bye.